This is Plentiful Pine Stem Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stem set with 15 individual stems. The set features two 4-layer pine trees which are paired with gorgeous and versatile sentiments. With each layer, you can create realistic scene with depths when used with our crystal inks. Create a serene stemmed forest, holiday tree, or unique background with the stem set. Pine trees are evergreens, which means this stem set is just waiting to be used year-round. This Plentiful Pine stem set is a high-quality photopolymer stamp manufactured in the USA. To find out more about the Plentiful Pine stem set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.